Every morning, millions of seniors around the world wake up, check their blood pressure monitor, and see those same stubborn high numbers staring back at them. You take your medicine, you walk daily, you even avoid salt and fried food, and still, the numbers refuse to listen. You wonder, what else can I do? If that sounds like you, stay with me, because today I'll tell you about a simple green leaf, growing quietly in nature that modern science is now calling one of the most promising natural supports for high blood pressure. This leaf is called Moringa, and in the next few minutes I'll explain everything you need to know, how it works in your body, the best way to use it, the right time to take it, and what modern research really says about its effects on blood pressure. No confusion, no fake promises, just honest science-based facts, explained simply for you. As we age, our blood vessels lose their flexibility. They become a little stiff, like old garden hoses that don't bend the way they used to. That stiffness makes it harder for your heart to push blood through, and the result is high blood pressure. It's silent, it's steady, and over time, it can damage the heart, the brain, and the kidneys. Now, your medicines, like amlodipine, losartan, or others, are life-saving. They protect you every day. But nature, too, offers quiet support. Gentle, natural compounds that help the body heal and relax from within. And among all plants studied so far, one has gained global scientific attention. Moringa oleifera, the miracle tree. Moringa isn't new. Our elders have used it for generations, in soups, powders, and teas. But only in the last few years have scientists truly begun to understand why it helps. Its leaves are full of nutrients: potassium, calcium, magnesium, antioxidants, and powerful plant molecules called flavonoids and phenolic acids. These natural compounds protect your arteries from damage, improve circulation, and support the heart's rhythm. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at what the science says. In 2025, a systematic literature review collected data from dozens of studies. It found that Moringa leaf extract effectively lowers blood pressure in both animals and small human trials at different doses. The researchers concluded that Moringa shows clear therapeutic potential for hypertension and related symptoms. Another 2025 review in Biomedicine and Pharmacotherapy went deeper, identifying the key compounds responsible, like astragalin and phenolic acids. These act as natural vasodilators, meaning they help open up blood vessels, and as antioxidants, reducing the stress and inflammation that cause pressure to rise. An April 2025 PubMed review confirmed dose-dependent decreases in both systolic and diastolic pressure in animal studies. But it also made an honest note: human trials are still limited and more research is needed before doctors can officially prescribe Moringa for hypertension. And a 2020-2024 global research analysis found that studies on Moringa have sharply increased, especially those testing boiled leaf decoctions, showing noticeable blood pressure improvements within a few weeks of use. So while Moringa may not drop your pressure overnight, the evidence is growing that it helps your body relax your arteries naturally, from within. Here's how it works. Simply put, Moringa increases a natural compound called nitric oxide. That's your body's way of opening blood vessels. It also helps reduce oxidative stress, which means it prevents damage to your arteries caused by aging and toxins. It lowers inflammation and stiffness, so your heart doesn't have to fight so hard. And the minerals in Moringa, especially potassium and magnesium, balance your sodium levels, helping pressure stay in a healthy range. In other words, Moringa doesn't attack your body, it supports it. So, how should you use it safely? You don't need fancy supplements. You can use simple, pure Moringa leaves or powder. If you have fresh leaves, take 5 to 6. Boil them in 1 glass of water for about 7 minutes. Let it cool slightly and drink it warm, just like green tea. If you prefer Moringa powder, take 1 teaspoon of pure organic leaf powder. Mix it in warm water or milk and drink it after dinner or before bedtime. Why before bed? Because that's when your body relaxes and your blood vessels respond best. It also prevents interference with your daytime medicines. Use it daily. Not once, not occasionally, but regularly. And always keep a blood pressure record, morning and evening. Over a few weeks, you'll begin to notice a gentle, natural improvement. But here's what you must remember. Moringa is a supportive remedy, not a replacement. Never stop or change your prescribed medication without your doctor's advice. Always consult your physician before starting Moringa, especially if you already take blood pressure drugs. Start small. Half a teaspoon a day for the first week. Avoid taking it on an empty stomach. And if you ever feel dizzy or your blood pressure gets too low, stop immediately and consult your doctor. Natural doesn't mean risk-free. It means gentle, when used wisely. With regular, careful use, many seniors report encouraging changes. Better morning readings, less heaviness in the head, improved sleep, and a lighter, calmer feeling through the day. That's because when your arteries relax, your heart finally gets to rest. And when your heart rests, your entire body begins to heal. Let's take a step back for a moment. High blood pressure isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's your body asking for balance. Balance between your mind, your food, your activity, and your rest. So, Moringa isn't a magic fix. It's a partner in that balance. It works best when you also eat lightly, walk regularly, stay hydrated, sleep peacefully, and manage stress. Think of it as nature's helping hand, supporting your medicine, not competing with it. And remember, consistency is the secret. A little bit every day, like watering a plant. You don't flood it once. You nurture it gently. Your blood pressure deserves the same care. You've done enough worrying. Now, it's time to add something that helps your body feel calmer, not just controlled. So yes, modern science saves lives, but nature still whispers gentle answers if we listen. Research shows that Moringa's leaves may help relax your blood vessels, protect your heart, and support your blood pressure naturally. So, if your doctor agrees, make it part of your routine. Drink 1 warm cup each evening. Monitor your pressure. Be patient. And trust the process. Because healing, true healing, doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly, 1 heartbeat at a time. May your heart stay strong. May your pressure stay calm. And may every morning bring you peace and strength. Thank you for listening. And take care of your heart. It's been taking care of you for a very long time.